In custody, a 30-year-old man who allegedly sexually molested his 12-year-old relative. The beastly act was done on the boy in Carolina village in Embu County. KTN's Mwege William with more details.
Wonders never cease to amaze. A 12-year-old boy that police in Embu have rescued, having been allegedly defiled by a close relative. Embu West Sub-County Police Commander Charles Kenywa says the police arrested the relative, a 30-year-old man. The police say they will arraign in court the suspect over the incident.
Kuna mtu anaitwa Kevin Mugambi ambaye aliweza kumsodomize ama kumdefile mtoto ya miaka 12. Wakati tulipokea report, uchunguzi ulianza mara moja. Na wakati tuliendelea na uchunguzi, tuliweza kukamata huyu mshtakiwa, tukamleta hapa, tumemweka ndani, uchunguzi na mnaendelea na tutampeleka kotini.
When we caught up with the minor before police swung into action, the little boy narrated how he had been defiled on several occasions. The minor says that he is currently having difficulties passing stool.
Aliniambia sisiseme. Sasa aliniambia nikiambia watu atankunja atanchapa.
According to the boy's guardian, he was never told about the alleged sexual abuse. He, however, admitted that he had noticed some strange behavior by the boy.
Mnaweza kaa na yeye pia mkae kama wiki 2-3 tena anatoroka. Sasa tena ni kuanza kumtafuta na ndio tulikuwa tunauliza kama ile njia anaweza saidika nayo, ndio kama anaweza enda kwa ile shule hawezi toroka kukiwa na fence hiyo ni mzuri.
Incidents of close relatives defiling children have been on the rise in the recent days, especially after outbreak of COVID-19 when the government introduced restrictions. Mwege William, KTN News, Embu.
Right, so let's take a look at what will be coming up in your copy of the Standard tomorrow.